Don't forget to like, subscribe and share the videos.
Hello all, welcome to Ganesh IAS Academy. This is the special session. In this session, we are going to discuss about the previous year UPSC Prelims economic question. Okay? So this session is purely focused on how to approach the upcoming Prelims exam, and how to crack this exam with easier way. Okay? How to find the key within the question and also how to eliminate any extreme statements. Okay? So all these things will be discussing. Okay? This will be more useful to crack the upcoming prelims exam. Okay? So let's begin the session. Okay. See, this question is purely a factual part question. Okay? So without if you are knowing anything about this, about the Food Safety Act, or anything means you can't even answer this question. Okay? Because it is totally all about the factual data only. Okay? There is not even anything about the any logical elimination things also there. Okay? So let's discuss about the what is Food Safety Act. Okay? So before that, so it is all about the government is providing. So the government is actually providing the rice for 3 rupees, wheat for 2 rupees, and coarse grain for 1 rupee. Okay? So National Food Security Act covers around 50% of the urban area people and 70% of the rural area people. Okay? So it is all about the providing the food security to the people. Okay? See, even though the constitution is not openly speak about the people's food right, okay, right to food. Okay, it is not deliberately spoken in the constitution. Okay, the constitution is hiddenly spoken. Okay, the constitution is speaking about the what is the right of the people. Okay, in Article 21, it is all about the people's right. Okay, in that it is the nutritional rights and the food right is within that Article 21. Okay, for that only they created the National Food Security Act. Okay, so by that they are distributing certain grains, okay, grains, rice, wheat to the people. Okay, so it is for the below poverty line people also, and also for the people who are above poverty line. Okay, for that also the government is spending certain things, okay, to the PD system. So this is the major thing you have to know. Okay. So the question is all about the Food Safety and Standards Act 2006 replaced the Prevention of the Food Alteration Act 1954. Yeah, it is right. More than 5 to 6 acts are amalgamated and they created this Food Safety and Standards Act. Okay. So first statement is right. Food Safety and Standards Authority of India (FSSAI) is under the charge of the Director General of Health Services. Okay, in the Union Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. Okay, see, the statement is actually wrong. Okay, because the reason is the Food Safety and Standard Authority of India is under the charge of Director General. It is not the Director General of Health Service. It is under the chairmanship of the Food Safety and Standard Authority. Okay, so there is a board. Okay, within that board there is a chairman. Okay, he is going to manage all the things. Okay. FSSAI is an independent body. Okay, so by that the second statement is wrong. Okay, see, this is one of the purely factual basic question they ask. Okay, because in 2018 there is a major thing, there is a major reform happened in the FSSAI. Okay, for that only they asked it. Okay, so if you don't know any factual data about certain questions, means don't even try to touch these kinds of questions. Okay. Because if you are going to touch it, means you are going to lose a certain marks. Okay, so this kinds of question is purely a factual part question. Okay, so here the answer is actually A. Okay, thank you.